left to Chris Ryan, and how well he did that again. Scott Quinnell, and back by Scott Gill. Scott gets us through. Scott needs a score. What an amazing try.
Rugby yw ffynwyd. Rhaid o dechrau. Dyna mam. Dyma munud dys I yw'r byd. O eiliaeth cynta, oedd rugby yno. Pob pen blwydd ydw i'n cael stwff rugby. Ond y peth yw, mae calon fi mewn maes arall.
Nice bit of rugby practice, that lad.
See you at the finals?
Yeah, Friday the 13th. Unlucky for some.
Unlucky for them, you mean?
Aye.
Fi'n wrecked. Right, dwi'n off I gwely. Nos da.
In the final, Hawthorne RFC. Yes!
Oh, llongyfarchiadau, but rwy'n more proud! Wedodd Glyn abeth i'r finals. Meddwl, y bachgen fi, seren rugby. Oh, gyfi dod I weld ti tro hon?
O, Dad, byddi'n nerfus.
Nerfus? Pam? Y bachgen fi yn chwarae rugby. Mae rhaid I fi bod yna. Come on.
Arthur! Arthur! Cod a neidi! Be ti'n moyn naw?
Bava!
Hei, ti'n lwcus bod ti'n mate. Watch the ball! Ready back? Right, catch it!
Dwi ddim yn dilyn y bel yn iawn, man.
Na, dim digon o spin arno fo, ti'n gwab?
Don't be afraid!
Oi, Melonhead, don't quit the day job.
Kind of bent, Topsy. In other words, shut up!
So chi'n y gweithio?
Mate, ti'n warthius.
Pryd mae finals anyway?
Friday the 13th. Unlucky for some.
Barry. Well, if it is now a star player, how's it going, lad?
Yeah, alright.
What are you doing in that get-up?
I have to play rugby on the 13th.
That's a game for ruffians.
But I need to play it for my dad.
Well, we need you too, you know. Good ti, Bet. Full Welsh. A mae'r ddiwrnod mawr I ti edrych. Wyt ti fe gyd. Cer amdani, Bet!
Shine up. Come on. Rob! Oh, your laces.
Diolch.
on, Barry! Cer amdani!
What a rat! It's happening!
Barry, ei, ti'n iawn, bud? Ti'n iawn?
Nes i sgorio!
Wel, dim quite. Ochr anghywir. Lain ti lan fyna.
Barry, it's the final. What are you doing playing rugby?
He's one of the star players.
Yeah, but not with these funny shaped balls. What are you doing forcing him to play rugby?
What do you mean?
Dad, dwi'n casau rugby.
See?
But do you mean ti'n casau rugby?
Dad, I've never come to rugby practice. I've always gone to bowls practice instead of rugby. I don't like rugby. I never have and I never will.
Pam nes i ddim gweud I fi?
Don't you realise that this boy is the finest bowler of his generation? Without him, we're not going to win the final.
Is this true?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, Barry, pam nes I ddim gweud I fi?
I just wanted to make you happy.
Pam nes I ddim gweud I fi? Barry, dwi yn hapus. Come on.
Dwi dal yn gorio rafanita rygbi. A byw mewn tîm mental. Gofod sgwyddi fel mae ots da fi pan mae'r Six Nations ymlaen, ond y leiaf mae presentau wedi gwella.